Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel You and I Can Cook. In this video, I am going to show you how to prepare Mangalore Cashew Macaroons. I'm sure everyone who has eaten them loves them. They are crunchy, nutty and very delicious. Do try them out and let me know in the comments below how yours turned out. Let's check out the recipe now. Transfer the egg white to a clean, dry bowl. Now beat the egg white with a hand mixer, first on low speed till the egg white turns frothy. Then increase the speed and beat till it becomes stiff. Now gradually add the sugar 1 spoon at a time and continue beating on the second speed setting till all the sugar is added to the meringue. Now add the cardamom powder and the vanilla extract and continue beating. Now add the baking powder and beat till it combines with the meringue. add the chopped cashew nuts in 3 batches and fold in gently with the meringue till it's fully combined. I have lined the baking tray with parchment paper. Drop spoonfuls of the meringue onto the baking tray. Make sure to space them evenly as they will expand once inside the oven. Oven has been preheating at 120 degrees centigrade. Now bake the macaroons at 120 degrees centigrade for 70 minutes. Then increase the temperature to 200 degrees centigrade and bake for 5 to 8 minutes to brown them a little on the top. Allow them to cool inside the oven for an hour before removing them out. Wow guys, look at how beautiful they have turned out. They look awesome and they smell amazing too. The macaroons have turned out crunchy and delicious. Store them in an airtight container and it will remain crispy till you finish them all. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Press the bell icon when you're subscribing so that you will get the notification of my new videos as soon as I upload them. Thanks for watching.